Hello gamers! In today's video, let's see how SVP matters in protecting your rank in Marvel Rivals. SVP stands for Second Valuable Player, is a crucial feature in Marvel Rivals that highlights the importance of individual performance within team dynamics. This designation matters significantly, especially in ranked matches, as it provides a safety net for players. If you earn SVP while on a losing team, you won't lose any rank points, which is vital for maintaining your competitive standing even when the overall match outcome is unfavorable. The SVP title motivates players to perform well regardless of the match result, rewarding individual contributions and ensuring standout performances are recognized even in defeat. Players are evaluated based on various metrics, including damage output, eliminations, survival rate, and support contributions to earn this title. Excelling in these areas can secure you the SVP title and protect your rank. Additionally, understanding and striving for SVP can provide a strategic advantage in a game where every rank point counts. It encourages players to focus on their performance throughout the match, fostering a more competitive environment. Ultimately, earning SVP serves as recognition for your hard work and skill during the match, emphasizing that even if your team loses, your individual efforts still matter in the grand scheme of competitive play in Marvel Rivals. Hope you got value from this video.